What's up guys, how you doing, and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to talk about binary options trading during the night time. And meanwhile, of course, I'm gonna be opening some trades and make some money on binary options, so this is gonna be a very active video, so make sure to watch it to the end. And in the description below this video, you will find the link to my Telegram where you can ask me any question you have, and also the link to my Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals and I also run weekly marathons to increase your balance from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time. Make sure to check these links below. And to sign up for PocketOption and to get 50% bonus on your deposit, make sure to text me today on Telegram to get the registration link. And without further ado, let us get straight to our today's trading session. So despite the topic of today, I will not be trading at night. I already have a price chart with the currency pair, the euro and the Japanese yen. Seeing the current situation, I opened the first up trade for $350 for 1 minute. And I saw that the decline in price slowed down while the price approached the support level, which it repeatedly bounced off 30 minutes ago. So let's see how our trade is going to close. And at the same time, the lines of the Arun indicator moved parallel to each other, which indicated the presence of a consolidation. And again, the price was near the lower limit of the corridor, and accordingly, I expect the price to go up. So let's see. And we have a little time left, and I suggest we start our topic. What does the average person do at night? That's right, sleep. And all people like to sleep, by the way. That's common sense, and at least most of them do. But there are also those who prefer to work at night. Someone is just more comfortable working in the evening and at night. And now our trade closed, and I added to my account $318.50. Great, we continue, and by the way, there is a very simple reason why people are forced to try trading at night. And maybe someone simply unable to make trades during the day due to their main job. And for this reason, I decided to tell you more about trading binary options at night and the features of such trading. Is it different from trading during the day? That's what we will know in this video. First of all, I would like to note that all the world's stock exchanges are closed at night, despite the fact that exchanges in the Pacific region are gradually starting to open, and the main volumes are still traded in the European and the American territories. And before continuing, I'm gonna open an up trade for $350 for 1 minute. And the situation on the chart has not changed at all, and one by one is similar to the previous one, which is why I decided to make an up trade, and the situation is simply the same. And let's get back to our conversation. And because of the closure of the main financial centers at night, there's a very low activity in the market. And despite that, the fact that some exchanges in the Pacific region are operating, and a few hours later in the Asian region, trading is still significantly less of a volume compared to Europe and the United States. Everyone knows that the largest stock speculators are concentrated there, and they are simply resting at this time. So that's basically the main difference between trading at night and trading during the day. And at the moment of the opening of the exchanges of the Asian region, some volatility flowed to the surface, and we see some active price changes. And right now our trade is closing, and our trickles of profit added to my account $318.50. So the pairs that include the Japanese yen and the Chinese yuan have the highest volatility on the exchanges of the Asian region. So Asian financial centers are open from 11 p.m. to 9 a.m. That's Greenwich time. Also, financial centers of the Pacific region work at night, and the main one is the Australian Stock Exchange, which operates from 9 p.m. up to 6 a.m. Greenwich time. But as for the Pacific session, there is almost zero activity, with some exceptions for assets related to New Zealand and the Australian dollar. So that's the time frames of their work. And the fact that the volatility is at its lowest at night is proved by statistics that say that the activity of the euro-dollar pair at night falls by about 3 to 4 times compared to the peak of trading during the daytime. So since the activity is low, then almost all trading assets are dominated by flat dynamics or sideways movement. And it corresponds to narrow horizontal corridors, which are limited by support and resistance levels. So that's the shape of the market during the nighttime. Moreover, it will not be difficult to determine them. Even a schoolboy can do this by determining the last two highs and lows. Well, then everything is simple. And as soon as the price approaches a certain level, then in the absence of fundamental or news, then the price will move to the opposite direction. And we get back to trading, and I opened the down trade for $350 for 1 minute. And despite the profit I made in the previous trade, my assumptions are not justified, and the price continued its decline, and I also followed the price and I made a down trade. So while observing its changes, we will continue the topic of today. On one hand, it's very easy to trade with a sideways movement or during a sideways movement, because when the price approaches a certain level, support or resistance, in most cases, it bounces off and makes a reversal. So you can basically trade on reversals during such condition or during the sideways or the consolidation period or movement. And at this moment, traders just make trades in the direction of the reversal and they make a lot of profit. But as we know, no one will give you 100% guarantee of success with such trading. And our today's trading session is a proof of that. And the expected rebounds, as you have already seen, do not occur always. And our take loss of profit added to my account $318.50 as a profit. And one of the frequently used binary options trading tactics at night is scalping, opening a large number of trades in a short time. Well, this allows you to earn your daily allowance in just a couple of hours, since European stock exchanges do not work at night. Therefore, traders prefer to use currency pairs of these countries for scalping, which is the euro, the British pound, and the Swiss franc. Our price is declining at the moment. Guys, I'm about to make a trade right here, and the price have declined and broke through the support level, so I'm going to open a down trade for $350 for 1 minute. And here I assume that since there was such a confident breakdown, it is very likely that the downtrend will continue. In addition, the red line of the Arun indicator, which is responsible for the downtrend, as you know, began to grow, approaching the level of 100, and the blue line continued its decline and was below 50. All these factors made me make a down trade. So let's see if I'm right or not. And this behavior of the Arun indicator gave me a signal about a possible price decline. And let's see how accurate this is, but for now, we'll continue the conversation. So, for night scalping, I recommend working on European currency pairs. Moreover, according to statistics and surveys conducted, Asian traders are not interested in such currency pairs. Therefore, low activity is always visible at this time. Well, this is exactly what we need for trading during sideways movements. And once again, I have to interrupt. Our trade is about to close. Our take loss of profit added to my account $318.50. And after what I said, you probably have a question. If binary options trading at night is so simple, then why don't traders take advantage of this opportunity? Why haven't they become billionaires yet? And after all, you can sacrifice your sleep for a couple hours but earn a nice sum of money. And the fact is that many brokers fundamentally decrease the payout rate of such trading assets. And this is done specifically to make it unprofitable for traders to work at such a time of a day for market analysis and trading. So that's the trick here. That's the reason. And during night trading, you should have an extremely profitable trading strategy. After all, with a yield of 80 to 85% from a broker, it is enough for you to successfully make 65 to 70% of trades to be in profit. Well, with a low yield at night, your trading tactics should bring 90%, and this is an almost unrealistic result. And on the chart, we see that the price declining, and I opened again a down trade for $350 for 1 minute. And once again, we follow the trend and the signal from the Arun indicator. Its red line occupies the highest position, and this is a good signal for me about a possible continuation of the price declining, and that's why I made a down trade. And back to our topic, we found out that the payout is usually reduced at night, and it turns out that modern brokers force us to trade during the daytime, when the market is especially volatile and sometimes chaotic and unpredictable, and it's much more difficult to conduct market analysis during the day than at night. But if you are set up for trading at night, then I recommend you not to trade on such currency pairs such as the Australian dollar, the US dollar, and the New Zealand dollar and the US dollar, because they have extremely high volatility at night, since the exchanges of New Zealand and Australia work during these hours. Okay, our trade is continuing. Okay, our trade closed with a refund. That's what I'm talking about, guys. These are signals. They have their own conditions, and you need to pay attention to all details. So the trade did not bring profit. It's good that I didn't lose my trading asset here. Nevertheless, I was confident in the previous trade, and the situation has not changed. So again, I'm gonna open a down trade for $350 for 1 minute. So let's see how our trade is going to close this time. And while my trade is in progress, I would like to advise you not to trade at the beginning of Monday and at the end of Friday. At the beginning of the week, trading only opens after the weekend, so chaotic price jumps may occur. And by the end of the week, large stock speculators close their positions, so unpredictable impulses can also occur. So you should pay attention to this time and try to avoid them. And when trading at night, use the Donkin channel indicator. It draws a price movement channel, and as I said earlier, the best trading strategy at night is trading on reversals. So reversals will occur from its upper to the lower boundaries of this channel, and this indicator will be especially effective in situations when the price is in a very narrow sideways or a flat movement. And our trade close a profit, added to my account $304.50, and this time I think this is the end of our trading session. So let's see the results. So in today's trading session, I made $1,578 as a profit in only 11 minutes, and it took me only 5 successful trades to do so. And we also learned today that brokers are not ready to hand out money to traders just like that. And the reduced payout during the trades during low volatility in the market is very upsetting. But I also would like to say that night trading in binary options is inconvenient from a psychological point of view. And you should know that one unsuccessful prediction will block 3 to 4 trades from being successful. So you should take all these factors into account. And I hope this information was useful for you guys, and it will help you make more money on binary options. But again, remind you guys, before opening any trades, you need to study the market situation carefully and use indicators that you understand their signals to reduce your risks and also to make profits over the long run. Also, continue learning, continue trading binary options, and as you saw today, that technical analysis in binary options is not complicated at all. And anyways, if you would have any questions, you can ask me on Telegram. The link to my Telegram is in the description below this video. And also the link to my Telegram channel, where I share daily trading signals, and I also run weekly marathons to increase your balance from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time. Make sure to check these links down below. And to sign up for PocketOption and to get 50% bonus on your deposit, make sure to text me as well today on Telegram to get the registration link. And if you like this video, please give it a like, leave your comments down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop a new video. That's been it for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.